For many, this is a sewing machine. For John Tanuvasa, this is the sound of his childhood.
As I was growing up, the common thing that I always hear about Mum is she's got stuff that she needs to do, which is on a sewing machine. So I would go to sleep, and I'm going to sleep now, good night. And then all I hear is Mum on a sewing machine. Wake up in the morning, Mum's still on a sewing machine. I'm sure she slept in between, but I was, knocked out. But the fact that just hearing that is always music to my ears.
It's music that was sewn into him by his mother, who worked as a seamstress. From a young age, John was always quite trendy.
It wasn't until high school I was like, oh, clothes is a thing that you can actually make. Anyone can do it. And then just exploring the avenue of really understanding how clothes are made, why they're made, who was it for.
It didn't take long for him to start experimenting with fashion and finding a style he was comfortable with. But there was something missing.
Life was a struggle growing up because I was always a big kid. I didn't fit in anywhere. And on top of that, I couldn't find clothes that matched my personality. So growing up, I just wore hand-me-downs.
After finishing his studies at AUT, John worked in various roles in fashion before deciding to create his own brand. Last year at the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show, he debuted his clothing brand On for plus-sized men.
On is originally just John without a J, nothing too fancy. There's no whoa. But the idea behind it, the psychology of the brand is truly a love letter to say to big men to really accept themselves.
This was John's creative outlet to encourage Pacific men to not be afraid of expressing themselves through fashion.
So this was one of the garments from my Pacific Fusion Fashion Show debut of On clothing, and it's one of the looks, and it's called Red Look.
The Samoan Tongan designer was one of 13 Polynesian designers who showcased their creations.
This could be anyone's everyday look if they want to be a bit more on the edgy side, a bit more risky, but if it's on a special occasion, then yeah, anything.
A proud moment for John's mother, who is still sewing 40 years on.
Follow me.
On started with streetwear, and John is on the path to releasing his third collection in a few months' time, without any limitations.
I want to have the freedom to create whatever I want to. In New Zealand, you keep being put on a box constantly. And I don't want to be put on a box. You know what I mean? Like, I want to destroy the box and get, you know what? Let me make my own box. Or I am the box.